Okay, we got an old Tweety Bird toy from 1976 for sale from Mattel Inc. Made in Hong Kong. And we'll see if you guys can see this. It used to have a string that you would pull and he would talk. The string is obviously gone. I don't have any way of getting inside of the toy to tie a new one on, but his head does flip up, and it's a really neat old plastic. It's got some aging. I don't know if that's just over the years, but it's in really good condition. No breakage. Really nice toy. So there it is, old Tweety Bird Mattel Inc. 1976 toy.